Hey everybody, Dr. Liz here. Congratulations on being almost halfway through the course. But I promised this video would be quick in the announcements, so let me go ahead and get right to it. First and foremost, if you never got the opportunity to see the videos that I mentioned in the announcement this week, so this one right here, and then the documents that are linked to go along with that video, please stop this video right now and watch those first, because you're going to have no idea what I'm talking about. Well, you might, but not a very good one, because I'm assuming that you saw that video from week 2. So if you haven't, stop, watch it now. If you have, now I want to turn your attention back. Here we're in Module 4, and just like Milestone 1, Milestone 2 has 2 different places that you could submit your final project. So this one is the one that everybody is going to submit, well, should submit to get points anyway. That's the one that's the discussion board. And as you'll recall, just like Milestone 1, if you submit Milestone 2 through the discussion board, it doesn't automatically run it through Turnitin. And again, why do we want to make sure that we check out Turnitin early? Because week 7, when you turn in your final paper, will be the first time that I get to see your Turnitin report, and you do not, oh please, you don't want to be in the same boat as some of my former students where, they didn't check their Turnitin report early, and now, they're stuck having to do rewrites on the whole paper the very last week of class, right when they're trying to study for the final. So I cannot stress enough how important, how much I recommend. I am going to, put it in all kinds of cute colors here, like purple, please, 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 if you can swing it, turn in your paper here in addition to the official submission, which is the discussion, okay? So again, this one's optional, but I'll remind you what is the beauty of turning it in to this place. First of all, if you turn it in before the end of the night on Tuesday, you'll actually get written feedback from me that'll help you to see if you need to make any changes on Wednesday to turn it in for sure on Thursday. But if you don't have time to get it done by Tuesday, you should still submit it here. And the reason for that, again, is because it automatically runs it through Turnitin if you submit it here. And you can see right away whether or not you're going to need to make any changes. And those links that I explain, how to look at your Turnitin report and all of that, are included here in the announcements as well. So again, please, 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 if you have the time, please do this at some point this week once you've gotten your paper written. Doesn't have to be by Tuesday. Tuesday is just if you want me to kind of pre-grade it, I guess it's a good way to say it. But if you just want to check your Turnitin report, which you really, 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 really should do, please submit it here. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys soon.